Hello, good morning students and most welcome on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to finish this topic, that is applications of definite integration with last 15 MCQs, that is from 46 to 60. In previous some lecture we completed the first 45 MCQs from 1 to 45 of this topic, applications of definite integration. So this topic is the most simplest topic of the syllabus MST CET. Okay, so let's start the MCQ number 46. So what is the MCQ number 46 here? Look at the 46. The area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 4x minus 1, 4 into x minus 1, and the lines x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. So this is the lower limit and upper limit. So here y is equal to 2 under root x minus 1. So required area is 2 under root x minus 1 from 1 to 2. So this is a 2, x minus 1 raised to half, x minus 1 raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 means into 2 by 3. So this is 4 by 3 from 1 to 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 4 by 3 is the answer. So 4 by 3 in square units. So this is the answer of 46 is C option. Okay. Right. Next, after completion of 46, what is the 47? Did the MCQ number 47? The area bounded by the parabola y is equal to 16 minus x square. 47. Y is equal to 16 minus x square. We already explained in the express in the form y is equal to f of x. So x is lies between 0 to 4. So integration from 0 to 4. 16 minus x square dx. So 16x minus x cube by 3 from 0 to 4. 16 4s are 64. 64 minus 64 by 3. 3 into 64 minus 1 into 64 means 2 into 64. 2 into 64 by 3. So answer is 128 by 3. So this is the area in square units. Okay. So sub example x same type के हैं. So we have to find the area. So what is answer of this? So 47 का answer क्या है? D है. So ये C or this is the D. Okay. So this is the completion of first two MCQs. Let's start the next. Let's start the MCQ number 48. The area bounded by the parabola. Again parabola. Very much simple. 48. So y is equal to x square plus 3 and the lines x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. We have to find the area, required area from 0 to 3, x square plus 3 dx. So integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus 3x from 0 to 3. Upper limit 3 cubes, 27 by 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Lower limit 0. What is answer? 18 square units. So this is the required area of this parabola and these lines. So 18 square unit, that option is a D. Okay, so 48 का आंसर कितना है? D आया. Now 49. What is MCQ number 49? xy is equal to c square. This is a curve y is equal to c square by x. So curve must be y is equal to f of x. So right side is all the terms of x, left side is compulsory y. So what are the ordinates? X is equal to c and x is equal to 2c. So required area A is equal to integration from c to 2c. c square by x dx. So taking outside c square 1 by x integration log x from c to 2c. So first log 2c minus log c. Log 2c minus log c is log 2c by c is log 2. c cancel. So this is answer. A is equal to area, required area c square into log 2. So what is answer? 49 का आंसर कितना है? C है. Okay. So this is the solution of 48 and 49. Okay. Very simple. Okay, let's start the new MCQ, that is MCQ number 50. The area bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x. So ये सेम एग्जाम्पल हमने cos x का लिया था. x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi. So पहले 0 to, we know that x is less than or equal to pi by 2 and greater than or equal to 0. The area is 1 square unit. In first quadrant 1, second quadrant 1, third 1, fourth 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is a 4 square unit. 4 square unit. So this is the answer. 50 का आंसर क्या है? B. Okay. So now 51. The area bounded by the region bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to 2x. So this is a is equal to 1, m is equal to 2. 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1, m is equal to 2. So what is the shortcut? That shortcut is what? 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube. 2 cube is 8. So required area is 1 by 3 square units. So this 8 and this 8 cancel. So this is answer. So option number was A. So this is the option number A. 51 and 50 and 51. So let's start the 52. In MCQ number 52, parabola is y is equal to x square. So it means x square is equal to y. X square is equal to y. So 4a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 4. And the line y is equal to x. So y is equal to x को x is equal to y करेंगे. यहाँ पर m की वैल्यू है, m is equal to 1. So this is the parabola, this is the line. Same shortcut here. Area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube. A square 1 by 16. m cube, 1 cube is 1. 8 2s are 2 3s are 6. 1 by 6 square units. So no need to solve the by actual process, solve by shortcut. So answer is what? D. 50, 51, 52, B, A and D. Okay, so very simple examples, these three. Okay, let's start the next. Now MCQ number 53 and MCQ number 54, which are very very different and important MCQ. So let's listen the MCQ number 53. So curve is y is equal to sine inverse x. Y is equal to sine inverse x. So x is equal to root 3 by 2. Y is equal to sine inverse x means x is equal to sine y. So we know the graph of inverse function. This is a sine inverse. This is pi by 2. This is 1. Here is 0. So x is root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2. And this is the value of root 3 by 2 at x is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree means pi by 3. And this is the area bounded by the curve y is equal to sine inverse x. So this is the curve y is equal to sine inverse x. So this is 1 and this is what? Pi by 2. Right? So हमें ये एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो जो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल है, सो एरिया ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड एरिया इज दिस 0 to root 3. नो, हम क्या करेंगे? एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला क्या है? दिस इज द पाई बाय 3, दिस इज रूट 3. सो लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ, पाई बाय 3 इंटू रूट 3 बाय 2. पाई बाय 3 इंटू रूट 3 बाय 2 माइनस 0 to pi by 3. Y is equal to sin x. So x is equal to sin y. 0 to pi by 3. Sin y dy। सो जो हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है वो शेडेड पोर्शन का फाइंड करना है। सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ, लेंथ इज √3/2, ब्रेड्थ इज π/3, √3/2 इंटू π/3। उसमें से माइनस करेंगे ए पोर्शन, दिस इज द एरिया बिलो दिस कर्व। कर्व इज व्हाट, x इज इक्वल टू साइन y, एक्चुअल y इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x है, लेकिन x इज इक्वल टू साइन y विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y करेंगे 0 to π/3, 0 to π/3 साइन y dy। सो √3/3 π/2 √3 माइनस साइन y का इंटीग्रेशन cos y माइनस cos y माइनस माइनस प्लस π/2 √3 π/2 √3 साइन 60 की वैल्यू 1/2 एंड नहीं cos 60 की वैल्यू 1/2, cos 0 की वैल्यू 1, π/2 √3 माइनस 1/2। सो चेक दिस आंसर, π/2 √3 माइनस 1/2, √3/6, √3/6 उसको ऐसे रखेंगे, √3/6, √3/6, 3 × 2 6 सेम रखेंगे। ये भी करेक्ट है बट ऑप्शन में ये नहीं है, √3/6 माइनस 1/2, √3/6 पाई इंटू √3/6 माइनस 1/2, इसको भी √3/6, 3 into 2 is what, 6। so this is answer। so ये ऑप्शन एक करेक्ट आंसर इन स्क्वायर यूनिट। सो 53 का आंसर क्या है, ये है। ओके, सो दिस इज सिंपल एग्जांपल, वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय द कर्व y इज इक्वल टू साइन इनवर्स x। सो दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ साइन इनवर्स x, राइट। हम उसको x इज इक्वल टू साइन y किया, हमें फाइंड करना है 0 to √3/2, √3/2। so this distance is √3/2 and this distance is π/3, this is length and this is a width। so area of rectangle minus this shaded portion, this blank portion is of below this curve, x is equal to sin y। okay, so same number 54, what is 54, y is equal to tan inverse x, the x is equal to 1/√3। so this is the graph of tan inverse x, again same from origin up to infinite, this is π/2, here is √3/2, no 1/√3, so this distance is 1/√3, tan 30 is 1/√3, tan 30 means π/6। so we have to find the area, this is the portion area। so again required area is, so area of rectangle, length into breadth, √1/√3 into π/6 minus area below the curve, curve is 0 to π/6, 0 to π/6, curve is, this is y is equal to tan inverse x, obviously x is equal to tan y, so tan y dy, tan y dy, so this is π/6 √3, tan y का इंटीग्रेशन log of sec y from 0 to π/6, π/6 √3, tan sec 30 is √2/√3, cos 30 की वैल्यू कितनी है, √3/2 है, सो sec 30 कितने होगा, 2/√3 होगा, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos is sec, सो 2/√3। बाद में यहाँ पर 0 रखेंगे, sec 0 is 1 because cos 0 is 1, so log 1 कितना है, 0 है, so it is a negligible। so this is answer in square unit। so check this answer, π/6 √3 minus log 2/√3, so this is the answer in square units। so क्या ऑप्शन है इसका, इसका सी ऑप्शन है। ये कितना था, ये था। ओके, सो दिस 53 and 54 आर वेरी सिमिलर बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जांपल। दिस इज द एरिया of inverse trigonometric function, area bounded by the curve, that curve is the function, that function is inverse trigonometric function, but this is the procedure। okay, so you must know this graph ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स एंड टैन इनवर्स एक्स। ओके, यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू चेंज हो सकती है, बस इतना ही चेंज हो सकती है, 1/2 या 1/2 हो सकता है, या √3 हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, 0 to π/4 that is 0 to 1. So okay, so this is the completion of 53 and 54. Next 55. Okay, so after completion of 54 and 55, 53 and 54, let's start the 55. The area enclosed between the curve y is equal to sin square x. So curve is, this is 56. The curve is y is equal to sin square x. The x-axis from 0 to π/2. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to π/2. So this is not integrable. So 0 to π/2. Sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Taking 1/2 outside, integration of 1 is x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2 from 0 to π/2. This is 1/2 in bracket π/2. यहाँ पर π/2 रखो, 2 कैंसल, साइन पाई 0, यहाँ पर 0 रखो, बाकी ऑल टर्म 0. So what is answer? π/2 into 1/2 is π/4 square units. π/4 square units. So this is the answer of 55, which option is C. Now 56, ये 55 था, this is 55. Now 56. In MCQ number 56, the area bounded by the curve x square is equal to 8y, x square is equal to 8y. This is also parabola, vertex at origin, and the line y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 8 का square root 2√2 into √y, equation 1. So required area, upper limit is 4, lower limit is 0, obviously 0, because this is a parabola whose vertex at the origin. So ये टाइप का parabola है वो, vertex at the origin. This is the line y is equal to 2x. So here he has not clearly mentioned the एक y is equal to, डबल करना पड़ेंगे यहाँ पर twice. 2 into 2√2, 0 to 4, y raised to half dy. 4√2, y raised to 3/2 into 2/3 from 0 to 4. 8√2 by 3 in bracket 4√4, 8 minus 8, 64√2 divided by 3. So this is area in square units, 64√2. So option क्या है? A. So यहाँ पर ये डबल करना पड़ेगा because it is a symmetric with y axis. So यहाँ पर twice the required area. So यहाँ पर he has not given the lower limit, but it is obvious lower limit is 0 because this is the parabola whose vertex at the origin. So 0 to 4 are the limits of this integration. Okay, so this is the completion of 55 and 56. Let's start the next 57. Let's start the MCQ number 57. The area under the curve y is equal to x into sin x square. So this is a 57. Y is equal to x into sin of x square. From x is equal to 0, x is equal to √π/2. So this function is positive from 0 to √π/2. So required area 0 to √π/2. x into sin x square. So important, we have to integrate करना आना चाहिए बस. By look it is a by parts product of two function, but this is a composite function. So put here first substitution, x square is equal to t, 2x dx, x dx is equal to half dt. to right side को transfer भी किया मैंने. So instead of this x dx we write half dt. This is sin t. x0, 0 square is 0, square of root is π/2. Very simple. Integration of sin is minus cos, 0 to π/2. Cos π/2 is 0, cos 0 is 1 plus into minus plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square units. Okay, I hope you understand this solution. So don't use the by parts method because it's x into sin x square. It is not sin x. It is a composite function of trigonometry. Sin of x square. So यहाँ पर बाय पार्ट्स अप्लीकेबल नहीं है. So 1 by 2 का ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. So 0.5 करो. It's a D option. Okay. Now 58. Look at the MCQ number 58. So area bounded by the lines x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3 and xy is equal to 1. So this implies y is equal to 1 by x. So required area is integration of 1 by x dx. This is y is equal to f of x from 2 to 3. Log x is the answer of this integration from 2 to 3. Log 3 minus log 2 is log 3 by 2. So required area is log 3 by 2. So A भी option correct है, D भी correct है. So it is a by mistake. Both options are similar. Log 3 by 2, log 3 by 2 square units. Okay. Now next we'll take after this. The last two which are very simple now is what 59 and 60. So let's finish the topic applications of definite integration by these two examples. Area of circle x square plus y square is equal to 25 pi r square. So r square is 25. So this is a shortcut. 25 pi is the required area. 25 pi square units. This is the value of r square. So area of circle, this is the formula for geometrical, that is what pi r square. Now area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 8x 60. Y square is equal to 8x. So this is the position of 4a. So 4a is equal to 8. It means a is equal to what? 2. So 8a square by 3. So answer is 32 by 3 square units. A square means 2 square is 4. 4 8s are 8 4s are 32. 32 by 3. So this is the answer of number 60. That is what 32 by 3 square units. That is the area. So this is the completion of very simplest topic of the syllabus MST CET, that is applications of definite integration with the maximum 60 MCQs. Okay. So this is sufficient for this particular topic because only one example is in the final annual examination. Maximum one है, 2 भी आ सकता है लेकिन 1 is the fix. Okay. So this is the completion of topic applications of definite integration. I will back on from one more topic, that is differential equation, on the very next video of this session. Okay. So today I will stop here. Thank you very much and stay tuned on this YouTube channel Math Mentor.